Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this part of the video, I'll be showing you how we are going to be doing business name registration from step by step, from name reservation to filling the actual form, then getting our certificates out. So if you are looking for something like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you give this video a like button. So the first thing you want to do is to go on to CAC dashboard. So this is how it's going to look. So if you have an account already, you just have to log in. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account, which I will leave the link in the description box below to see how to create an account on the new CAC interface. So what you want to do once you've created your account, you log into your dashboard. So what you want to click on is to click on name reservation. So once you click on name reservation, if you are using an agent portal, so you are going to see all the name you have reserved so far, they've approved so far. So what you want to click on is to click on new reservation. So once you click on new reservation, you have to choose the business classification. So in this case, we are registering a business name. So I'm going to choose business name. So then you have to select the type of business, which is if it's going to be a sole proprietorship or a partnership. And take note of one thing here: you have to be very sure. You have to choose if it's a sole proprietorship. That means if it's going to be owned by one person, because the moment you choose a sole proprietorship and you get to where you are filling the details of the proprietorship and you want to add another person, you won't be able to add another person. So that's why you have to be careful. You have to decide here if it's going to be a sole proprietorship or a partnership business. So in this case, we are going to be going with a sole proprietorship business. So what I want to click on is to click on sole proprietorship, then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to bring out the box where you are going to be entering the business name. So you must have done your name search and be sure that the name is available. So in this case, I have my name already. So then I'm going to select the category I want it to fall into, and no, this category is going to be the one that's going to appear on your certificate once it is out. So in this case, I'm going to with human health activity. So I'm going to click on check availability. So as you can see, the name is available. So what we want to do now is to click on continue. So I'm going to click on continue. Then you click on continue to payments. So what you want to do now is to make sure you copy the hierarchy in case there is an issue with the payment. So you click on remitter. So once you click on remitter, you are going to be making the payments. You have different means of making the payments. So I can make the payments using card, bank transfer, or any kind of method you like. So in this case, I'm going to be using the bank transfer method. So what I want to do is to copy this account. So I'm going to make the payment right away here. So once you make the payment, then it's going to confirm the payment. So once it's confirmed the payment, then we will be able to continue our registration. Okay, so the payment has been successfully made, so we just have to wait for it to be confirmed. As you can see, so the payment has been confirmed. Now once it confirmed the payment, so at times there must be an issue, so you just have to come here to click on check payment status. So once you click on check payment status, so what we want to do now is to click on continue to filing. So you can copy the availability code to keep it somewhere if you want to continue your registration, maybe another time or another person's portal. So what you want to do is to click on continue to filing. So once you click on continue to filing, it's going to load out this information where we are going to be entering the company state, the company street number, then the company street, then the business commencement date. So what I want to do is to fill in all this information. Then once I fill it in, then we are going to be proceeding to the next part of the video. So once you are done entering the information, we'll choose the commencement date, so which I'm going to be choosing today. So what you want to do is to click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, the next thing you want to do is to enter the information of the proprietor of the business. So I'm going to be doing this right now without taking much of our time. So I'm quickly going to fill all this information, then we proceed to the next part of the video. Okay, so once you are done entering the details, what you want to do is to click on add proprietor. So I'm going to click on add proprietor. So you have to ensure the information is accurate and make sure all the information is the same as the one on the ID card you are going to be using for the verification. So what you want to be doing is to click on save and continue. The next thing is to upload the details, or the credentials of the proprietor, which is the NIN card or NIN slip. So if you don't have the premium one, I can help you get it. So you can always reach out to me using the link in the description box as well. I'm also going to be uploading the proprietor passport and the signature. So the first thing I want to do is to select the proprietor. So then I will upload the NIN. So let me quickly upload all the documents. Once you are done uploading all these documents, what you want to do is to click on add proprietor document. So once you add the proprietor document, so you are going to come down here, so you can click on the view file to be sure that you actually upload the correct document. So after doing that, what we want to do is to click on save and continue. So make sure you copy your RR code in case there is an issue. In case there is an issue with the payment, so you'll be able to trade it with the RR code. So you click on remitter. Click on remitter is going to bring out this page. So this time of recording the video, so this is the amount you are going to be paying. So you can choose different kind of payment method you like. So here I'll be making use of the bank transfer. So I'm just going to click on bank transfer, then we make the payment right away. Okay, so it's now confirming the payment. So as you can see, the payment has been successfully confirmed. So once it's confirmed a payment, so it's going to submit your application. So once it keep doing like this, at times it might have confirmed your payment, so you just have to go back to the dashboard to confirm it. So it might have been on, as you can see, so it has confirmed the payment already and it's already or pending, as you can see here. So what we now do is to wait for it to be approved. Okay, so once it is approved, you just have to come back to the approved section here. So you click on the registration, then you come back to the approved section. So once you click on the approved section, so it's going to show if it has been approved. So you just simply need to download all your certificates here. So you can call the action, then you simply download your certificate and things. So if you found value in this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. More video on CAC, guys. So, and if you want me to help you handle the process seamlessly without making any mistake, so I can easily help you handle it as an expert in the field. So thank you and see you in my next part of the video.